college student in Edinburgh borrowed a friend's Porsche Panamera for summer vacation and went out to play. The car suddenly got stuck while driving on the highway. The insurance company does not provide compensation. The solution provided by the Forest store is to replace both shock absorbers together. The total price is $4,900 US. Fortunately, the car owner has collected my video of repairing shock absorbers. Contact me directly through the video below. Actually, shock absorber maintenance is very simple. Since you have seen this, if you like our video, don't forget to give the craftsman a like. How much is suitable for repairs like ours? You can discuss your opinions in the comment section.